Still the 14th of March up here at the farm. Buffalo natural thick. Got greening up going on. Up here doing a maintenance run on the bulldozer. Start up, let it come all the way up to temp. My 450G. Got that nice 3-shank 2-barrel ripper on the back. Good size dozer too. You can haul with pickup. You got the right trailer. You're good. Yeah, got stuff greening up. Leaves starting to bud out. Got that purple bloom tree there in the distance. Anybody knows what that is, let me know, because I'm clueless when it comes to trees. I'm not ashamed to say it either. Dang time change got me messed up. It was already 1:30 in the afternoon. Basically came up here to take those bushes I pulled out of the yard and toss them off into the woods instead of going to the landfill with them. Everything's unmolested. It'll be time to start spraying here pretty soon. Getting this old water grass coming up, a bunch of weed. But can't do anything today, still have to go to Walmart for the week. I'd rather get a damn tooth pulled, but it is what it is. These barns did well on that blizzard we had, where we had 15 inches of ice and snow. No damage at all to the barns. A lot of folks weren't so lucky. Down there in Longview, there's lots and lots of those RV canopies that are crushed and destroyed. Lots of canopies over patios and carports crushed and destroyed. So these barns are relatively inexpensive and seem to be well built. I don't know if I've showed this or not. This is my outdoor shower for the summertime. Now I spray chemical up here, and sometimes I have an oops and I gotta take a shower. Water outlets over here coming from the well. Plug it into my shower. Straight up cold water shower, but gets the chemical off me. This is a water filter. If we want filtered water, plug the hose into it, run it through the filter, and we got filtered water. Simple. There's no reason to get carried away. Pour this little pad from a shower. I'm not standing in the dirt. It's good enough. Not the best in the world, but it works. This is off season when the well's drained. I put this barrel here to catch the rainwater coming off the roof. Of course, it fills it up. So if we need it for fire suppression or whatever, at least we got 55 gallons of water. Every now and then we'll start a little campfire and you need to have some water just in case something gets away from you. Little TV antenna. And watch TV when we're up here. Just, simple. Simple's good. Got electric. Come from the co-op, but don't really need much. Both barns are fully wired. Of course, the well is wired. I put it in a high-tech outhouse. It's got a 4x8 base. Outhouse can be disgusting, or it can be bug and smell free. And I like the bug and smell free. It's all how you do the ventilation for the pit. It's not rocket science. Basically, it uses convection airflow, as you paint the vent pipe black and then put screens on the ends so the bugs can get into it. That's the outhouse there in the distance. Zoom in. It's clean, sanitary, smell, and bug free. What else do you need? No snakes, of course. It beats going out in the woods and crapping in the woods. A lot more sanitary too. People think outhouses, they think disgusting. Well, that's what you want, that's what you can build. I don't. Anyway, this one's getting long too. Still gotta go to Wally World, so that's all for this one. Thank you.